So what is MD button? Let's check. Yes, because it should be after the Hmisc library within Hmisc package. MD button, it will show you that wherever you have missing data and how much the percentage of it. For example, what is this sort of numbers here? This data set, you have 27 cells which has no missing data, and it is common among all the variables. 27 rows, all of them sharing that they have data inside of them. Okay, so 0 here, that's mean it's all has a data without missing. And you have one row, it has a missing data with temperature high. Okay, and rest of data complete. And you have 4 rows has a 0 inside temperature L, while we have all complete data. And like this, and you have, for example, 40 rows, it has a 0 or it has a missing data with the events. So 0 it's mean missing data here, and 1 it's mean data. Okay, so you can understand like this. So it just will give you a general description for your data. And here this one is the total number of missing data. So this is total missing value. We have 147 missing value, and most of this data it's accumulated with the events. And this is true because if you check the events, it has the biggest amount of missing data. Okay, and followed by humidity high. So if you follow the humidity high, also it has too much of missing data. And this table, actually, now because we have a simple data, if you have a huge table, you will see that this indicator will be very easy for you. Definitely within the date data, we don't have any missing because it's just indicating the dates. Okay.